Welcome back to Ready, Set, Train and the final module of this course. In this module, we're focusing on evaluation.
Whenever I think of evaluation, I think of the teacher evaluations that all of my students do at the end of class. You know, when the students evaluate my teaching performance and the class content, I've received some really good feedback from some of those evaluations. And then I could take that feedback and use it to revise my lessons and make them even better.
Yes, that's exactly what I'm talking about. Except this is an evaluation that you conduct at the end of your teacher training to find out how successful the training was.
That makes sense. Of course, I want to see how successful my training was so I can improve it in the future. I do the same thing when I teach my students. I revise my lesson plans after I teach a class based on how it went. That way my lessons will improve the next time that I teach it.
Yes. So you want to use that same idea and apply it to your teacher training. You'll want to assess or evaluate your participants before and after the training to find out how much they learn. Then you can reflect, revise, and make improvements for your future trainings. Your training will improve over time as you repeat this process.
That sounds really good. I always want to improve as a teacher and as a teacher trainer. So how do I know what kind of assessments and evaluations to give? What kind of data or information do I want to gather?
That is a great question. You'll create an evaluation plan based on your initial course goals and objectives. You'll think about the purpose behind your training, and you'll also want to think about your stakeholders. What kind of information will they want to know to measure the success of the training?
That's a really good point. My administration will want to know how successful my participants are in using student-centered teaching strategies.
Exactly. So after you set your goals, objectives, and decide on the purpose of the training, you'll want to choose evaluation tools to measure if those objectives and goals were achieved. Actually, I have some great tools and tips for course evaluation that I can give you. Let's meet again later.
Great. Thanks, Amelia, so much for all your help in planning this training.
No problem. To be honest, I feel like I've also grown as a teacher trainer through mentoring you. It's been a wonderful experience. Well, I'll let you work on this last module. I'm sure that you're excited to get started.
Absolutely. You'll know me so very well.
See you soon. Thanks.